A question that one frequently faces as an Agile coach is, we agreed on doing something as a team, but how do we translate the agreement to action when everyone in the team doesn't follow through? You need to first understand why and then decide on the actions. A typical example is the team deciding to update their individual daily remaining work to generate the daily burn down chart. On the first few days, everyone may fill and eventually some may stop updating, thereby making the chart unuseful. This can happen due to either of the following 4 reasons. 1. No one is referring the burn down for further actions, so the team member feels it is merely a ritual. 2. The team member is not comfortable in sharing the bad news. That is, he or she prefers to complete the task and update so as to show a good progress. For example, the team member may need just half a day's additional effort, so he or she may decide to as well update the next day after completing the tasks. This plummets to the daily burn down, never showing the actual project status. 3. The workflow to enter isn't user-friendly. 4. Pure laziness by the team member. As a core team member or a Scrum Master, it is your responsibility to identify what can be the reason and take appropriate actions. Now that we understand the underlying reason, how can we handle this? Firstly, the team has to be reminded on their commitments. The best way is to regularly review what was agreed throughout the sprint. For this specific example, the teams can have their daily stand-up meeting next to the board displaying the burn down chart. If there is any anomaly, that can be discussed. This will motivate the fence sitters to update daily. If the problem is with regard to the team member not being comfortable to share bad news, you have to create an atmosphere where when they share their delays, they aren't targeted. The other members should come forward and ask what can be done to catch up and whether any help is needed. If the issue is with regard to the workflow being too cumbersome, discuss with the team on a simpler method. If the issue is with regard to laziness, it has to be nipped in the bud. Else, this will wrongly influence the other team members not to adhere to any commitments. As a team, be firm with the member because discipline is not a luxury but a necessity for Agile teams. If you found this video informative, do like it and share it. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.